Did you know West African money has a secret code hidden in plain sight? Eight different countries use the exact same currency, the West African CFA Franc. On the outside, every bill looks identical. But every single note carries a secret signature that reveals exactly where it was born. Grab any CFA banknote and look right next to the serial number. See that single capital letter? A is Côte d'Ivoire. K is Senegal. C is Burkina Faso. And if you see the letter D, that note was issued right here in Mali. Check your wallet right now. Which country is holding your cash?